Alright guys, so today I have to get this table done so I can show you guys how it's gonna look. I still think it's gonna look absolutely amazing. So I went ahead and cut it out 6 pieces, 100 mils long, 50 wide. I've got the welder set to 75 amps and I'm using 0.9 mil flux core. So I got the top pieces welded on, 6 of them. That's gonna be holding the wood. Now I need to finish welding. There's a lot of pieces still that needs welding. I'm finished with most of the welding. Okay guys, I need to step it up. I promised you guys a total of 6 giveaways. And I'm still stuck on the first one. So I'll have to finish this now. Alright guys, so the operation was successful. I've changed the leg. Now I'm going to add a head. Alright, so I added a head. What do you guys think? So that's the one side. And the other side. So let me get this cleaned up, finish it up, get it painted, and show you guys the results. Alright guys, so before I reveal to you guys how the desk looks. So let's do a price breakdown how much this desk cost me to build material wise. Snowy. So for the one side I use 76 by 38 tubing, about 5 meters width, and that's about 250 to 300 rands worth. And then I use 2 strips of pine wood, each was 114 rand, so that's 228 rand worth. Then for the stickman I use 32 by 32, that's about 80 to 100 rands worth. The paint is about 20 rands worth, and then you get all the extras like the welding wire, the cutting disc, the grinding disc, and so forth. That's about 100 to 150 rand. So I'm in about 678 rand on this desk so far. If you would be interested in buying a desk like this, just comment below. Alright, so let me show you guys the results. So this is going to be the style of the study desk. So you can see this side, I chose this style. With the nice round corners in front. And then this side,